Hey there, welcome to math test number 27, solving problems involving scale factors. This will become page 13 in the workbook. So we know that scale copies are the same shape but different size. And we know that they have to have the same exact scale factor for each side in order for it to be a scale copy. So we ask ourselves right off the bat, how does 7 become 28? Well, you can use a calculator, you can do 28 divided by 7, or you can just kind of guess and check. And we know that that's times 4, correct? So that means that this number times 4 has to be 24. So our scale factor is 4. And again, another way of saying what is that number times 4 equal to 24, you could also do 24 divided by 4. And when we do that, we get 6. Right? Show my work by saying 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Right? Even though I can use a calculator. So you should pause this video and try to do number 2 right now. All right, number 3, we're going to solve each proportion. There's a couple ways you can do this. You can ask yourself, okay, what number times 10 equals 3, or backwards, what number times 3 equals 10, or you can cross multiply. So 10 times 6 is 60, is equal to 3 times x is 3x. So we have 60 is equal to 3 times a number. So now what we're going to do is simply divide both sides by whatever was attached to x. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Well, 3 divided by 3 is just 1, and 1 times anything is that thing. So we just get left with x is equal to 60 divided by 3, and you can use the calculator, which is 20. You should probably pause and try and do number 4. Number 5. Go ahead and say 6 times 10, 60. Is equal to, and now we're going to go ahead and do 4 times r, 4r. Always put the number first in the variable sector. And again, we're just going to go ahead and divide by 4, divide by 4, and 4 divided by 4 is 1, 1 times r is just r, so we can stop. R is equal to 60 divided by 4 is, use the calculator, 52. You should probably pause and do number 6. All right, number 7. Crystal enlarged the size of a photo to the width of 12 inches. What is the new height if it was originally 2 inches tall and 4 inches wide? So we are comparing a couple of things. We're comparing how tall something is to how wide something is. So let's say tall over wide. And they give us an original ratio of 2 inches over 4. And now they also gave us one more number, and they said 12 inches wide. So just ask yourself, did I put 12 on top with tall, or did I put 12 on bottom with wide? Or did I put 12 on bottom with wide? And then we're solving for x. So we do our same thing. We say 4 times x, which is equal to 4x. And we say 2 times 12, which is equal to 24. And now we take a look and we say, all right, what's the number attached to the variable? Oh, it's 4, so I divide by 4 on both sides. And we get x is equal to 6. 6 is my answer. I would pause and try to do number 8. And lastly, number 9. A photo is 8 centimeters tall, 2 inches wide. If it is reduced to a height of 4 centimeters, then how wide will it be? Again, so what are we comparing? We're comparing how tall something is, how wide it is. And they gave us an initial ratio of 8 centimeters tall to 2 centimeters wide. So 8 on top of tall, 2 on bottom of wide. And then they said if it was reduced to a height of 4 centimeters. So height, does that go with how tall something is or how wide something is? Well, height should go with how tall something is, so that's why it's going to go on top. And then the thing that we don't know, x, is going to go on bottom. So let's go ahead and cross multiply. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. And then 8 times x is equal to 8x. And we go ahead and solve this by, again, working the side that has the variable. The number attached to the variable in this case is 8, so divide both sides by 8. 8 divided by 8 is just 1. 1 times x is just x. So x is equal to 8 divided by 8 is 1. So here's your answer. You should be able to do number 10. Make sure you show all work, even though you can just calculate.